scoot over. Bilbo Baggins. Bilbo Baggins.
Bilbo Baggins.
Bilbo Baggins.
Bilbo Baggins.
What if I ate this right now? What if I ate this right now? The puzzle will never finish.
Daphne, I swear to fucking God, you would never do that. Cause you're a pussy.
Oh
You're a
yeah?
pussy.
Oh yeah?
Don't get in my face, I'm scared.
Where's the puzzle piece?
In your fucking hand, you fake magician. Bilbo Baggins.
Bilbo Baggins. Bill Poppin. Bill Poppin. Ball Poppin.
No, Daphne, don't. Oh shit. I gotta keep my shit in gear. I gotta keep my shit in gear.
There's so much blood.
Don't say that.
Just me like approach that question.
No, it's not a question, it's a statement. I took your beer. Dad, give me the money. Just take it, bitch. Pussy
Bilbo
nigger.
Merry Christmas.
I'll do it. Do you want me to? I'll sacrifice my fingerprints.
That's what we have to do. We have to burn our fingerprints off first. Watch this. It's magically the last beer that was made.
Oh, that is right.
You won't be mad at me. You won't be mad at me, bro. I'm his sister. I'm his fucking sister. You won't be mad at me, bro.
You think you're God, bro? You're not God, bro. Fuck. I'm so fucking pissed at this puzzle. Who put me in charge of the puzzle? A cold beer is a good beer. Man, it's just like soda. Man, it's just like soda.
We should start a beer company called Man It's Just Like Soda.
That's the best idea I've ever heard.
Copyright Daphne Egan 2012.
Man, it's just like soda. Bitch, copyright you. Copyright me. I came up with
Copyright
the
us.
beer idea.
Man It's Just Like Soda. Hashtag Bilbo Baggins.
Ooh. Sally. 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 Sally.